Have you ever spent hours trying to create a presentation, searching for content, adjusting designs, adding images, only to still feel like it doesn't look professional? What if I told you there's a tool that can write your slides, design them beautifully, generate images for you, organize your files, and even export everything in just a few clicks? Yes, friends. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing AI tool called Pi.inc that can completely transform the way you create presentations. And the best part? You can start using it for free. The link is in the description below. You can check it anytime. Now let's walk through everything step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official website, Pi.inc. Once the homepage loads, click on Sign Up for Free. Now you can easily create your account using Google. Just click Continue with Google, select your account, and press Continue. Within a few seconds, your dashboard will appear in front of you. And that's it. You're inside Pi and ready to explore its powerful features. The first thing you'll notice is the updated interface. It's clean, modern, and very easy to navigate. Everything feels organized and smooth. On the left side, you'll see options like Create, Pi Docs, AI Drive, Themes, AI Assistant, and AI Image. Everything is just one click away. You don't need to search around. The workflow feels simple and professional. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful features, Agent Mode. Agent Mode works like your personal AI co-pilot. If you need a detailed, well-structured presentation with research and strong content, this feature is perfect for you. To use it, click on AI Assistant, and then choose Agent Mode. Now, simply describe what you want. For example, you can type, create a 15-slide presentation on climate change with detailed explanations. Then choose how many slides you want. You can also select whether you prefer brief, medium, or detailed content. After that, click Generate. Now watch what happens. The AI will create a structured outline, write the content, organize the slides, and even improve the presentation based on your feedback. It feels like you have a smart assistant working with you. This is especially helpful for students, teachers, researchers, and professionals who need reports, analysis, or academic presentations. Next, let's explore AI image generation. Sometimes a presentation needs strong visuals. Instead of searching for images online, you can create your own using Pi. Click on AI image. You'll see multiple advanced models available, such as Nano Banana, Flux Schnell, Z-Image Turbo, and Dubao Seedream. Choose any model you like, then type a prompt. For example, a futuristic classroom with AI robots teaching students. Click Generate, and within seconds, your image will be ready. You can directly insert it into your presentation. It saves time, and it looks unique and professional. Now let's look at another powerful feature, AI Cloud Drive. Think of it as your smart workspace. Click on AI Drive, and you can upload and organize all your files, PDFs, PowerPoint files, documents, images, even videos. The best part is that Pi can read your uploaded files and extract key insights automatically. If you upload a PDF, it can summarize it or help turn it into slides. Everything stays organized, and you can access your files anytime. Now let me quickly guide you through creating a presentation from start to finish. Click on Create, then select Create with AI. Write your topic, for example, Communication Skills Presentation. Choose the number of slides you want, such as 15. Select the content type, brief, medium, or detailed. Then click Generate. Pi will create your presentation outline. After that, choose a theme from the right side. There are many beautiful, professional themes available. Select the one that matches your style and click Generate again. Within 5 to 10 seconds, depending on your internet speed, your complete presentation will be ready. You'll see a polished presentation with a title slide, definitions, explanations, key points, and a conclusion. Everything is structured and professional. Now let's talk about exporting your presentation. Once your slides are ready, click on the Share button. Then choose Export. You can download your presentation in multiple formats, including PDF, PowerPoint, PNG, or JPEG. If you want a PDF, simply click on the PDF option. Within a short time, your file will download to your device. It's quick, simple, and hassle-free. Now, about pricing. The great thing about Pi is that you can start for free. There's a free plan available so you can explore the features and see how it works. If you need more credits or advanced features, you can upgrade anytime. You can check the full pricing details on their website. The link is also available in the description below. If you've been looking for a smart, all-in-one AI presentation tool, this might be exactly what you need. I hope this video was helpful and easy to follow.
Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.